Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to create the initial MTD file so that we can edit it to match our specific machine in future sessions. Okay, let's get started. Alright, to get started, we need to open Autodesk Manufacturing Post Processor and load a post processor file. The default files for the software are stored in this directory. Next, we need to go to the machine kinematics sections to define the machine type and the axis strike limits. Finally, by using the export function and saving it to our desired location, we generate our initial MTD file. Thanks for staying with me. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and drop your comments for me in the below. In the next video, I want to show you how to create the machine components in SolidWorks and I recommend you not missing it. Have a great day.